exciting. I'm so excited to know that our movie that we've been working on for so long, I think it's been like a year and a half since we've been in the works for this, at least me. And this is exciting to see it all come to pass and see everyone who's so excited. You know, all the fans of this franchise are so loving and so kind. I feel like these kinds of things are our moment to celebrate ourselves and all the hard work that we did. Because we all worked really hard to make sure that people would have something that would entertain them on the big screen, and I'm happy for everyone to see it. A lot of love here tonight. I think we all really loved each other in making this, and you know, you never know how these things are going to turn out. And I have to say, as a fan of the franchise, as an actor, it's really amazing to see this. As someone who loves music, it's really great to hear what Nine Inch Nails built for us as the sound of this movie.